Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to make some adorable coffee filter butterflies. You're going to need a set of washable markers, coffee filters, and some medium-sized clothespins. You can use the large if you want, but the mediums work really great. So you're just going to color on your coffee filters. It doesn't have to be perfect. These are going to bleed and create a watercolor look anyway. So you can see here that I'm just scribbling. This is a great project for little hands. Using washable markers, there really is no mess that they can make. So make your designs and then we'll move on to the next step. Once you have your designs all made, you're going to take a water bottle and you are going to wet the coffee filter. If you use too much water, they are going to bleed too much and they're going to lose some of their vibrancy. So spray them down and then lift them up and kind of dab up any excess water. And then you can lay these out in the sun to dry, or I dried them up by using my heat gun. Now we're going to decorate some clothespins, which is going to make the body of the butterfly. I picked some colors that were going to go with each coordinating coffee filter and painted them so that they matched. I did one purple, one yellow, and one pink. Once they're all dry, you can take a black Sharpie or a gray Sharpie and just do a smiley face with a mouth. Next, I had these rhinestones that were adhesive, and so I cut about 5 of them to match the length of the body and adhered them on. I'm just drying up my coffee filters a little bit more, and then we're just gonna crunch them together in like a fan fold, and that's just gonna give the look of our butterfly wings. Once you have your butterfly built, you're going to take some pipe cleaner and we're gonna make the antennas. I chose white because I like the softer look of it, but you can definitely use black pipe cleaners as well. Once they're cut to size, you can glue them on the back of your paper clips, and then you're gonna take a little round brush. I just use the end of my brush or a pencil, and you can curve the antennas to mimic the butterfly antennas. This is such a fun project to do with littles, just because there really is no mess, and I'm just gonna be honest, I loved making them for myself. If you love this DIY and like all things creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching today.